Craving something spicy, savory, and totally satisfying? Kimchi fried rice is the answer. This dish takes leftover rice, the magic of kimchi, and a few simple ingredients to create a dinner that's quick, filling, and full of umami goodness. This recipe serves 2 people, so it's great for a cozy dinner or even a solo meal with leftovers. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups cooked rice, day-old rice works best. Half cup kimchi, chopped. 2 green onions, chopped. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 2 tablespoons kimchi juice, from the kimchi jar. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Half a teaspoon gochugaru, Korean red pepper flakes, optional for extra heat. 1 fried egg per person, optional, for topping. Sesame seeds and extra green onions for garnish. Start by heating the vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. Add the chopped kimchi and half of the green onions, sautéing until the kimchi starts to caramelize, which usually takes about 3 minutes. This step is where the flavor magic happens. The kimchi's spicy, tangy notes become richer and deeper, giving your fried rice an incredible foundation. Once the kimchi is caramelized, add the day-old rice to the skillet. Day-old rice is best because it's drier, which helps the grains absorb all the flavors without getting mushy. Break up any clumps with your spatula as you toss the rice with the kimchi, making sure everything gets mixed evenly. Next, add the kimchi juice, soy sauce, and gochugaru if you're craving extra heat. Stir everything together for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the rice to absorb the sauces fully. Drizzle in the sesame oil for a final layer of nutty flavor that ties the whole dish together. This little touch of sesame oil adds richness and depth to every bite. To finish, top each serving with a fried egg, which adds creaminess and protein. Garnish with sesame seeds and the remaining green onions for a bit of freshness and crunch. What's your favorite add-in for kimchi fried rice? Share your ideas below and let's inspire each other to spice up our weeknight dinners.